Hi everyone, welcome back to this super series of full stack development journey. So today we are going to talk on lifecycle hooks and its order of executions. So this is basically a high demand questions in any interview. If you are a professional, front end application developer for Angular. So regardless of any Angular version, it will be same. So let's talk on first what are the methods there in the lifecycle hooks. So lifecycle hooks are just a general concept of methods. It's a way where developer leverage this and they use time to time based on their DOM environment. Like so, let's directly take you to the methods. What are the methods? So normally there are 8 methods available. You might have heard the on init. This is the very common one. Then on changes, after view checked, after view init, and we do check after content initialization, after content checked, and on destroy methods. So on init and on destroy being used every now and then, but other methods which are normally some of you are not aware of that, but these are there, but these are very less in common because when you require some kind of deep, kind of testing kind of things, or you require some kind of DOM manipulation, you will come across on this. So what we'll do is basically we'll start the application and I will show you how these things are executed one after another. So as you can see, like my application running at port local host on 4200. So let me bring the console, right? Like here you see. So the very first method that is being called is constructor. As usual, right? Whenever a class gets loaded, right? Like and your object gets created. So for at that time the constructor is being called. Then after that your onInit method will be called. Then ng do check method will be called. Then content gets initialized. Then after content gets checked, that call, then your view initialization method, and then after view checked gets method getting called. So this is the way of methods being executed one after another. Kindly remember that there are two methods, that is on destroy and ng on changes, that is not being called because of the special reason. The reason behind this why ng on change is not called, because this will be called when there is a changes happen in DOM with kind of input event, right? Input means we will establish this through the input decorator, and so I'll not talk much on input decorator because if you guys are new and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel so that whenever I publish any updated channels or any specific concepts on this, you will be get notified on that. So this video will demonstrate only on the lifecycle methods because previously we have already covered how to do a project setup, how you can integrate your bootstrap, and what are the anatomy of this Angular application. So kindly have a view on my last updated video. So on changes, as I said, it will be called on through the input decorator event that we'll discuss later. And there is one more method called on destroy. This will be also being called when your view gets destroyed. That means whenever either you navigate from your view to any other, that we'll also discuss on this how you navigate from one view component to other. So that's like in that case your view gets destroyed, then that method will be called. That's the reason why the two methods are not you see here, right? So please guys like that gives us motivation, right? If you give or if you have so many personal things, the way how I place my talk, we can also update you on this also. So for this video demonstration, this is the thing only I can have, right? So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.